Welcome back to CPCC Eclipse. In this video tutorial, we're going to demonstrate how to copy your Blackboard course. First, begin by logging into the Blackboard system and accessing the course that you want to copy. This might be your master, a template course. It might be the course that you taught in a previous semester that you want to copy forward to the next semester. From that class, on the left-hand menu, scroll down and click on the Control Panel link. And then under the Course Options menu, click on the Course Copy link. You'll be provided with three options to copy into a new course, an existing course, or copy the course with users, make an exact copy. That would include your student enrollments. Generally, you're going to want to select the second options to copy the course materials into an existing course. The reason we're doing existing course is that online course areas for all classes are automatically created in Blackboard. So prior to the term, several weeks prior, shells or online course areas, online classes, are automatically created in Blackboard, so you will have one that's copied, that already exists to copy your course into. You'll notice a destination course ID. Best option, if you're not sure what that is to click Browse, and you'll have a pop-up window that looks like this. In this pop-up window, type in the class you're wanting to find, okay, the one you're going to copy the content into. So for this demonstration, we have a 2009 year class in the spring term. The terms are listed by a two-letter representation. SP for spring, SU for summer, FA for fall. 2009 spring. The prefix and the number, the section number. Oh, I'm sorry, actually it's year, term, prefix, number, and then underscore section. So years 2009, underscore, which is shift and the key to the right of the 0 on most keyboards. 2009 year, underscore, SP for spring, underscore, the three-letter prefix, underscore, the course number, this is typically 3 to 4 numbers, underscore, and then the section number. So, for example, 2009 spring, BUS 11085. Spring CIS 11184 or 01. Click on the search. It should find the class. Now, a little note about that is it's only going to find classes that you are set up as the instructor of. So if you search for section 3 and you're not teaching section 3, you will not find any results that match. It will only show classes that you are the instructor of. Here it shows the course and shows that I am the instructor, and I can click on the select button for that course. It then will plug in the destination ID. This is an identifier that every class in Blackboard has, but the browse option makes it easier to find it if you don't know it. In the second section, you'll have checkboxes for all the types of content that you may be using in your class that you want to copy to the destination course. So in most cases, you're fine to just check all of the options. Now I'll explain. This is obviously your course content areas. Adaptive release, people ask about this. This is there are a lot of different ways adaptive release can be set up, but at its base level, let's say you have items in the system that date release, that something doesn't display until March 30th. That is an adaptive release. If you have content that doesn't display until students do something or accomplish a certain objective, that would be adaptive release. If you're not sure, you can check it. It's not going to hurt anything. This will copy your announcements. If you don't want your announcements copied over, do not check the box. The calendar tool, if you're using that, you check that box. This is for chat sessions. Discussion boards. Now do note that if you choose to copy your discussion board, it copies not only the structure, the boards that you've created, but it copies all of the posts that have been made in those forums, including your post and student post. When it copies these into the destination course, they will all be tagged as posted by an anonymous user, not showing the students' names. But do keep that in mind. We will have there will be another video available in the Eclipse catalog for how to clean out the discussion board post. Early warning system rules is optional. Glossary, there's a glossary tool in Blackboard, that's optional. Gradebook items and settings, this is probably an important one to keep if you're trying to bring over assessments. If you're using groups in your class, you'll want to bring those over. This right here actually copies the settings, including banners and course design settings, menu settings. The staff information, if you created a faculty profile, you'll check that. If you're using the tasks tool, you'll check that. And then, of course, test surveys and pools, again, very important if you're copying over assessments. You generally do not want to copy your enrollments. And then click on the Submit button. And you'll get a confirmation message along with the date stamp. Now, typically, these go through within 5, 10, 15 minutes. In fact, I've just received an email notification that says that mine has, in fact, copied and the operation was successful. You may receive an email confirmation. I'm not 100% sure if I think the instructor receives that. I know that the system administrators receive that. Occasionally, we do have requests that do not copy successful. There's some type of error. In that case, you'll need to. I would recommend you contact Instructional Development and eLearning at 704-330-6111 so that we can check it out and see if it's something we can correct. Generally, a copy that's a normal course size, not a huge amount of content, so just a typical class structure, 5 minutes to 15 minutes. It's pretty quick. I have had experiences with course copies that have taken an hour or so to complete, so just be aware of that. But once this has been in queue, the system will process it, and if I click OK, I can actually now come back out to my courses, and I can find the destination class that I was copying to, and in fact it looks like it has done what it was supposed to do. And I don't really have any content in this course right now, but it does look like it has completed. I have my theme buttons and all. So that's how it works. If you have any complications with this, you can contact Instructional Development and eLearning. Again, our phone number is 704-330-6111, or send an email to us at I, as in instruction, IDEV, at cpcc.edu, and we'll be happy to assist you or answer any questions.